Oh my god. Anyways, hi guys, and yeah, welcome back. Happy Choti Diwali, first of all. How are you all? And it's been a long since I've made a long video, and it's something that I've not done before. It's a haul video, as you can see. So, yesterday I went to Lajpat, and I'm actually really proud of my find, even though, like, my mom bank account is like literally crying, but it's okay. We found good stuff, and I'm going to show it to you all because I want to. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. There's quite some things to go through, so I recommend you actually sit down and yeah, let's start. First of all, I'm really proud of this. I found a wastage. Like, wait, like, look at how gorgeous this is. Like, I've been eyeing waist chain from a long time. Pinterest and everywhere, you're gonna see waist chains on my board. And this is the first waist chain I'm owning. So I'm really proud of myself. And by the way, guys, like, do ignore the patake ki noise if there's any, because it's Diwali and niche everybody patake chhada rahe hai. So yeah, I think I like got this for 200, and my mom thinks it's expensive. Though I think we got it from for an okay price. I won't say it was reasonable, but it wasn't expensive. Anyways, let's move on. So the next thing is a night suit. I love night suits. Like, I even wear them on normal days. And but I only owned like one pair, and I really wanted another. And yeah, let me show you. It's just so cute. Look at this. It's so cute. It comes with like a full pant, and it's so like freaking cute. It has this shirt style, and the pattern is so cute. It has like pink hearts. In love. In love. The quality is actually really good. Like, the finishing is really nice, and the quality I feel like is really nice. Although I'm not an expert, and most of the time I don't even know what I'm talking about. But let's move on. Next, again in the clothing category, is I got two pants. Like, these are bell bottoms, black, and I guess the second one is also bell bottom. These are off white beigeish. Yep, these are also bell bottoms. They look white on the camera, but like, if you compare them to my pearl earrings, you can kind of see the difference. Yeah, these are a pretty cool find, and they were actually for only 200, I guess. Yeah. Next, I love this so much. It's this really cute top. It's so Pinteresty, and the color, the design, the everything. Chef's kiss. And recently, like, I've been obsessed with like such baby doll tops. You must have seen like the leopard print wala baby doll top. I love it. It's one of my top favorites. So I think this is gonna be my favorites as well. Although the summer is about to end, so this will you'll probably see me wearing this in the next season. But I'll see if I can like wear it to any function or anything. Next on, moving on. I got the prettiest pair of belly sandals, and it's so Pinteresty. Wait, are you guys ready? Ah, like, what the hell? I actually saw these in those like that cherry red thingy, which I love. I am absolutely a cherry red girl person. But the thing is, I already have a cherry red Converse, and I didn't actually have anything in black. Even though black, I feel like is the most basic color of shoes that you can own because black goes with everything. So like I decided to get these in red, black, although I was dying to get these in red. But like, look at how Gina this looks. I'm kind of like scared that I'll actually. Yeah. But the thing is, look at the heel. इतनी पतली heel है. I don't know how to work in heel. Although मैंने वहाँ पे पहना था, I wasn't like falling. But I know कि अगर मैं थोड़ी देर ज़्यादा पहनूंगी तो I will. And हो सकता हो थोड़ी uncomfortable हो. थोड़ी थोड़ी. But don't tell my mom this क्योंकि बार बार पूछ रही थी कि कंफर्टेबल है आई नो तो नहीं चल पाएगी आई नो तो नहीं चल पाएगी ना वैसे मम्मा है दिला दो anyways yeah apart from this wait where is my other stuff wait let me get it mama got them okay so yeah so both of these two finds are winter related first is this Adidas jacket and I've wanted this for so long and क्योंकि मैंने बहुत जगह I've seen people style these jackets and it's actually really cool like I really like it and I don't think that it's just for sportswear मतलब people usually buy this for sportswear but I feel like in normal के लिए भी पहन सकते हैं it's actually really pretty cool I like the okay wait let me do a jacket ASMR I don't know कुछ समझ आ रहा है कैमरा में या नहीं but like yeah the next thing is also black it's this oversized hoodie I know बहुत बेसिक चीज़ है सबके पास एक oversized hoodie होती है except me guys can you actually believe it that I did not own a single effing pair of hoodies and मेरे को small या आता है and this is extra large wait so like it's actually really like baggy loose kind of shit and wait just so and I got this in black because मैं अभी कुछ like recently I've been trying to find out my undertone if I'm warm cool whatever and I feel like a black goes with every tone. That's just what I feel like. I don't know if it's actually true, but I feel like black goes with everything, like goes looks good on both the undertones. So I got black. Just say yeah. And plus ठंडी है तो light color would not make sense. Anyway, and then November में मेरी बहन की शादी है. So I got this one set. I can't show you because वो गया है अभी टेलर के पास alter होने. So it has this skirt with drapes यहाँ से. Wait. It has like skirt and यहाँ से drapes है white color का off white color का. And then there's a blouse which has work on it and a shrug. The blouse is I guess pinkish reddish and the shrug. Wait, why am I stuttering? The shrug is green. Blue का भी option था but we could not decide and at the end we got green because वहाँ पे इसकी जो लटकन थी उससे वो मैच कर रहा था. That's that and another thing I got is white color के slippers for घर के लिए. वो कुशनी वाले नहीं आते वो लाई थी मैं वाइट कलर के ऑफ वाइट कलर के बट वो भी अंदर रखे हुए हैं क्योंकि आई टोल्ड मॉम की लाइक आई वेयर देम इन विंटर्स सो मम्मी वाज लाइक कि इधर उधर रखने से अच्छा मैं अभी अंदर ही रख देती हूँ तो या आई नो दिस वाज अ शॉर्ट हॉल but it was a lot of stuff. It feels like a short haul, but it was a lot of stuff. And yeah, I'm really proud of my finds, and I love my ma for sponsoring my shopping, whatever thingy. Oh wait, I got one more thing. Wait, wait, wait. I'm sorry, guys. I keep forgetting stuff, but I also got these silver hoops kind of things, and I got influenced by my friends Claire and Bhavika, and they could be like probably watching this video. So yeah, तुम लोग ने ट्रिप पे देना था and I really liked it. So I got these. So cute. I think this will look really good on me. Okay, I don't know, I just feel like I'm a cool undertone and silver suits me better. Anyways, guys, if you can wait. And yeah, another thing, look at my mehendi. It's so pretty. I got it done yesterday. अभी अच्छे से रची नहीं है बट कमेंट सेक्शन में तारीफें करना भाई. And yeah, also tell me what did you guys get for your shopping for Diwali. And if you like this video, then like this video. If you liked the video, then like this video. Wait. And of course, subscribe to my channel and comment down below that तुमको सबसे अच्छी चीज़ कौन सी लगी. मेरे को तो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा. But yeah, and I love you all. Bye.